Did he come from the forest? Where did God come from?
My daughter, life shows itself so simply revealed the existence the Creator. Look in front of you, the birds, the trees, the rivers. All of nature reveals the Creator as the author of everything. His energy flows through every creation, whether a butterfly or something more complex like a star. Everything around us clearly shows the work of his hands, but many do not understand his glory because their hearts close as if a curtain were blocking what is most wonderful in the universe. The Creator is above all energy of creation that is right before our eyes. It's if he looks at himself to create, himself bring the universe into existence. However, not everyone is able to understand the Creator because they close themselves off from what truly matters and decline the word offers. On the soul, their minds, on the hearts become as if blind and unable to perceive the light that gives meaning to our existence.